They're thinking, I'm not that drunk yet.
Oh, there's the cathedral.
Yeah, in the corner you can see. Funny.
Now this one.
Yeah.
Ooh, wait.
It's like 22.
Oh.
11:37.
Oh yeah, no, at midnight.
Like 10?
At midnight
11:37.
It's 11:37?
Yeah.
I remember. I don't
Holy
remember.
shit. Okay.
We got like 23 minutes.
When
All
I
right.
was, I don't
All right,
remember
people.
why, but I was hello.
Hello.
So, before 2024, you got anything you got to say?
Hello.
Huh?
Oh, to new beginnings, to the to the start of just wonderful things and prosperity for all of us.
Amen.
And to being together, man.
And our new family.
That's
What?
it.
What?
Yes.
That's right. I'm still staring.
Oh, there's someone way up there.
Walk on that side so you can see the cathedral. It's pretty.
What's your step?